How to add content language on Reddit application. Our guys facing issues to add content languages on Reddit application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it, scroll down and click on settings. After you click on settings, you can see the option for content languages. Tap on it and click on add languages. Add the language according to your preference. After you select the language, click on add. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add content language on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.